medicine. Here for medicine.
Okay.
She's not better yet.
Oh no. What should we do?
She's still sick. Now, what's these called?
Tweezers.
Tweezers. Ouch!
What'd you do, doctor?
I cut her nose. Another shot.
You cut her nose?
Yeah.
That help her?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Another shot.
Oh, what should she do?
She thinks of something happy.
Think of something happy. Ow! Shot in her boobies?
No, not for the boobies.
Hey, doctor, focus. You gotta focus.
Not focus. I can't focus. I don't want to do focus.
What are you doing now?
Her temperature
Her temperature? Okay, let's see. What is it?
is 38.
38?
3.
Is that good or bad?
Good. Check your
Do you see anything in her eyes?
Nope.
Do you see anything in her ears?
Nope.
Oh, good.
There are bunnies in there.
You see bunnies?
Yep. There's crocodiles in this ear.
She has crocodiles in her ear?
That this ear.
Can you get them out?
I can't get them out.
Oh, no.
They have to stay in her ear
Okay.
to cover them up. They will not bite her.
Oh, okay. Okay, now what do you need to do?
To squeeze her arm. What's this called?
I think that's a leg brace.
What brace? This is for your. It's for your finger.
Oh. What about the squeezer?
Squeeze her. Oh.
Remember, you gotta focus, doctor.
Huh? I don't want to focus.
Okay. Okay, let's do the squeezer.
It's number 8.
Number 8? Is that good or bad? Well, doctor, what do you think?
Great.
She's great?
Yeah.
You fixed her?
Yep. She's better now.
Oh, good.
Bye.
Did you listen to her heart?
I did.
What did it sound like?
It sounds like. Boom, boom, boom.
Oh, is that good?
Yep. It's good.
All right, thank you for coming, doctor. Where are you going now?
From doctors.
You going to see your doctor friends?
Yep.
Okay. Uh-oh. Do you think Sawyer's okay?
He's okay. Oh my god. Oh, here's my phone.
Oh, there's your phone. Okay, I'll call you, doctor, okay?